Good morning, children. Today's chapter is third chapter, addition. Addition without carry. First I will explain some examples. Observe the page number 87. Look here, ma. Name, number of beads, tens, units they are given. First you just observe. What is the student name? Rani. How many beads? 24. In 24, 4 is in units place, 2 is in tens place. So how many tens? 2 tens. So they arranged the beads into chains. Each chain contains 10 beads. So how many tens? 2 tens. In units place, what is there? 4. So 4 beads they written here. Next, Mary. Here how many beads? 32. 32 means 2 is in units, 3 is in tens. How many tens? 3 tens. So in each chain they arranged 10 beads. So 3 tens. How many units, ma? 2 units. So they kept 2 beads in units place. Now see here, in 24 there are 2 tens and 4 units. Like that in 32 there are 3 tens and 2 units. First add units. First there are 2 tens and 4 units. Like that in 32 there are 3 tens and 2 units. First add units. First units add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See, first in first column how many beads? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus in next column 2. So 2. Total how many are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 units. Next now add tens. How many tens? Here see, in first one 1, 2. So 2 chains they written. And in second one how many? 3. So right, they written 3 chains. Total how many chains? How many tens they arranged the beads in chains? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 tens, 6 units. Answer is 56. Next page. See, they written 4 units plus 2 units, total 6 units. 2 tens plus 3 tens, 5 tens. Number of beads Rani wants 24. Number of beads Mary wants 32. See, 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 3, 5. Add 41 beads to 12 beads. See, first one, number of beads 12. 12 means 2 is in units place, 1 is in tens place. In one chain they arranged 10 beads. So tens how many? 1. So 1. Next how many units? 2. So they written 2 here. 41. 4 tens, 1 unit. Total first in 12 there are 1 10 and 2 units. In 41 there are 4 tens, 1 unit. First they added units. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 units. Next tens. 1 plus 1, 5. 5 tens. That is 5 tens, 3 units. That means 53. Children, next page number 96. This is one more method of addition. See, here they given already example and some sums they given. We will do it. Look here, example 1. First, what they given? 28 plus 31. Now what we have to do? We have to divide this number into tens and units. In 28, how many tens? 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. How many units? 8 units. So 20 plus 8. Plus next number, how many tens? 3 tens, 1 unit. 3 tens means 3 tens are 30. 30 plus how many units? 1 unit. Now we have to write tens in one side. See, 20 plus 30. So tens we written 20 plus 30. This is tens group. Next, what are remaining units? 8 units here and one more 1 unit. So 8 plus 1. So units one side, tens one side we have to write. Now 20 plus 30. 20 plus 30 how much? 50. Next units you add. 8 plus 1 9. Total 50 plus 9 59. Understand? We have to divide the given number into tens and units. Next we have to write tens in 1. Tens means 3 tens are 30. Plus already 2 units they written. Okay, this one over. Now 13. In 13, 3 tens 1 unit. 3 units 1 10. 1 10 means 1 tens are 10. Plus already units they written. Now you have to take tens. You have to write tens one side. Tens 30 plus 10. Already they written units one side. 30 plus 10 40 plus 2 plus 3 5. Total 45. Okay. Now see second sum. 50 plus 14. 50 means 0 units 5 tens. 14 means 4 units 1 10. 5 tens means 50. Okay. 0 units means 0. Next 110. 110 means 1 tens 10. Next 4 units. That means 4. Now tens we have to write in one side. That means 50 plus 10. Next 0 plus 4. 50 plus 10 60. 0 plus 4 4. 60 plus 4 64. Like that third sum you have to do your work. Understand?